Hi, it's September 19th, 2024. Doing a story. I'm not claiming that this is true to start off the bat. Do your own research. I was out on the motorcycle today, stopped to get gas, and some people were talking in the local Sunoco station. The one customer was saying that his buddy lives in Springfield, Ohio, where the Haitian people were uh, doing strange things that we're not used to, and it's making the news. And law enforcement and public officials are saying that it's not happening, even though there's footage of it. This guy's friend installs cable for a company in Springfield, and this guy was a cable installer as well. I believe they work for the same company. I won't name names. Anyways, he got a call to go to this apartment building and install cable, and went into the basement to find where the cables were coming in, I would imagine, and do his job. And there was 3 feet of water in the basement of this apartment building, and he said that there were at least 15 geese, live geese, swimming around in the basement of this apartment building in Springfield, Ohio. Um, that's just, just imagine. I guess they don't want to have to walk down the street to their public park to get their meal that night. They can just go to the basement of their building. And I understand that the landlords there, a lot of them just threw a new coat of paint on buildings that were dilapidated and people weren't even living in them, so that these Haitian people would move in thinking, oh, it's got a nice paint job, it's probably decent. It probably is more decent than what they came from. And the landlords want them to do this. They're actually not renewing leases for American people who have lived there their whole lives in some cases. And they're finding reasons, the landlords in Springfield are, to evict their tenants so that they can move the Haitians in. Well, why would they do that? Haitians don't have jobs. Some of them don't even have green cards, can't legally get a job. How are they going to pay their rent? The government's paying their rent. You're paying their rent. Your tax dollars are paying their rent. When they move in, the landlords get $2,100 a month to pay the rent for these people. Wow. And the guy who was telling this story in Sunoco said that his friend also told him that absolutely the most horrific stories you can look up on YouTube or Rumble or TikTok, Snapchat, whatever, are true. He said that when he goes to the local park, that like if you went to Oglebay and walked around the lake up there, he said that there are decapitated heads of ducks and geese and severed legs and feet floating in the water. So that's just really crazy, and the news isn't going to tell you about it. So if you watch this, let your friends know, share it with them. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good day.